In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a lug nut. Now let's say you need to replace your lug nuts for whatever reason that might be. If it's because of the outside hex cutout, then do whatever you have to do to remove it, whether you use a universal lug nut remover socket, which hammers on, or you use a different size, do whatever you have to do, get that lug nut off. In my case, this is going to be a 21 millimeter for this F-150. Break it free and take it off. However, if that's not why you're replacing it, if you're replacing it because the threads are damaged or something else happened, you would want to also replace the lug stud. You don't want to put a new lug nut on with damaged threads, and then you're not going to solve the problem because the threads are damaged in there. So always check the threads, inspect the old lug nut, inspect the stud. I know my stud is good, so I'm going to take my new lug nut and thread it on. I'm just going to go ahead and bottom this out all the way. And if you have the 5 lug pattern, which is what I have here, 5 lugs, you're going to torque it to 150 foot-pounds. If you have 7 lugs, you're going to torque it to 100 foot-pounds. So now I'm going to take my torque wrench that's set to 150. I'm just going to go ahead and torque this. Right there, that's perfect. And at this point, you would do the same to all the rest if you needed to replace any more lug nuts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.